Today we will make some national beehive frames. Make sure the grooves are facing in. Gently tap with a rubber mallet. I'll be using a nail gun on this one, but I'll show you shortly how to do it with nails. Break off that part. Take your sheet of wax foundation. Slide it down the grooves. Put this piece of wood back. Nail it and try and get it through. Insert the bottom pieces. One on each side of the foundation. These can be a bit tight. Then gently tap with your wooden mallet. These are 15mm staples and nails, sorry. Just push that back in. It came out, I don't know if you've seen it. But one perfectly assembled frame. Do exactly the same, but this time we'll use nails. But I strongly suggest getting a nail gun. It's a hell of a lot quicker. Take that out for your foundation. Just move the nail gun out of the way. get it through the loop of the wire, same as with the nail gun. Nail on the frame by there. Same on the other side. Doing a lot of frames, you can see that it's going to be a damn sight quicker with a nail gun. Well worth investing in one. That is all it is to assembling your beehive frames with wired wax foundation. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.